Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the controller and PC so pairing succeeds fast. Plug the controller in with a USB cable first to confirm recognition. Once done, you can switch to Bluetooth if you prefer wireless play. Make sure Windows detects the device in Devices and Bluetooth, and install any required drivers or firmware updates from the controller maker. This avoids controller dropouts in-game. If drivers prompt, run them now. Otherwise, restart the PC, so Fortnite reads the controller cleanly. Once the controller is recognized, open Fortnite and go straight to Settings, then the Controller tab. You want to select the correct input device and choose a button layout that matches what you use on consoles. Adjust look sensitivity and thumbstick dead zones incrementally, testing in creative mode after small changes so you feel the effect. Make sure Aim Assist is enabled if you want assisted aiming. If you prefer raw input, tune sensitivity lower. Save changes and practice a few rounds to lock in muscle memory. To finish, optimize for low latency and reliability. Use a wired connection for the lowest input lag and disable background apps that spike CPU. If a button doesn't respond, rebind it in Fortnite or use Steam Input or a mapping app to map inputs accurately. If the controller disconnects, first swap the USB cable and test another USB port, then remove Bluetooth devices that may interfere and reinstall the controller driver if needed. Finally, reboot and retest. Most issues clear after a driver reinstall or cable swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.